Day 5 of food tutorial series. How to make Ofada rice and Ayamase sauce, delivered by Peter Uwaifo. Hello everyone and welcome to day 5 of our food tutorial series. Thank you for joining me once again as we continue learning exciting recipes and practical cooking skills. Today I will be teaching you how to prepare a traditional Nigerian delicacy that is rich in flavor, culture, and heritage: Ofada rice and Ayamase sauce. Ofada rice is a locally grown rice known for its unique aroma and natural taste. When paired with Ayamase sauce, also known as designer stew, it becomes a delicious meal that is loved across Nigeria and beyond. The secret to a great Ofada meal lies in preparing the sauce correctly and balancing the flavors. Let's begin with the ingredients. For the Ofada rice, you will need Ofada rice water salt. For the Ayamase sauce, you will need green bell peppers, Scotch bonnet peppers, onions, palm oil, locust beans, iru, seasoning cubes, salt, assorted meats, cow skin, ponmo, beef, tripe, boiled eggs optional. Once your ingredients are ready, let's begin. Start by washing the Ofada rice thoroughly. Place it in a pot, add water and cook until tender. Drain and set aside. Now let's prepare the Ayamase sauce. Blend the green bell peppers, Scotch bonnet peppers, and onions until smooth. Set the mixture aside. Next, bleach the palm oil carefully on low heat and allow it to cool slightly. Add sliced onions and stir gently. Pour in the blended pepper mixture and cook thoroughly. Allow the sauce to fry properly until the excess moisture evaporates. Now add the locust beans. This ingredient gives Ayamase its unique traditional flavor. Add seasoning cubes, salt, and your assorted meats. Stir everything together and allow the flavors to blend beautifully. Continue cooking until the oil rises to the top and the sauce becomes thick and rich. At this stage, your Ayamase sauce is ready. Serve a generous portion of Ofada rice and top it with the delicious Ayamase sauce. Look at the rich green color. Look at the beautiful texture. Look at the delicious assortment of meats. This is a meal that celebrates Nigerian culture and culinary excellence. Before we conclude today's tutorial, here is a professional cooking tip. Do not rush the frying stage of the Ayamase sauce. Proper frying develops the deep flavor, aroma, and color that make this dish truly exceptional. Thank you for joining me on day 5 of our food tutorial series. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I am Peter Uwaifo. Thank you for watching. Happy cooking and God bless you.